How to remove a debit or credit card from Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove a saved debit or credit card from the Temu app. Follow these simple steps to manage your payment methods. Step 1. Open the Temu app and log in. 1. Launch the Temu app on your device. 2. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access payment methods. 1. Tap on the profile icon, the U icon at the bottom of the screen. 2. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. 3. Scroll down and select payment methods. Step 3. Remove your debit or credit card. 1. Locate the debit or credit card you want to remove. 2. Tap on the card to open its details. 3. Look for the remove or delete option and select it. 4. Confirm your action when prompted. Once confirmed, your card will be removed from your Temu account. What if you can't remove your card? Try adding another payment method before removing the existing one. If you're still unable to delete the card, contact Temu customer support for assistance. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.